Welcome to another video. In this video, we'll see how we can customize our quick toolbar. So it will be very handy if we have some option right up front rather than going to the menu and working out. So let's say what we have right now. So right now we only have save, and if I do something, so this is the undo column. So this is the undo. So if I select undo, it will uh, do the undo. Basically it reverts my changes. But if I want now, and this is redo means okay, whatever you did undo, you bring it back. So it's a quite a handy option. But there are, if I want to increase what is from here, so I just click this button. So there are some predefined options is available for us. For example, is new. If new, or if you want to send an email, if you uh, want to open some other Excel files, so it's quite, or if you want to do some print preview, so let's select the print preview, for example. So okay, so I select the print preview. So you notice the print preview options come. If you want, I want to select the new, so the new options comes. So but so what I mean, so if I click on the new, so Excel create a new file, new document. So pretty much if you notice, it was book one. Now this is the new sheet Excel introduced. So if I click this one, it's want to get rid of the new, so I just click on the checkbox and this is gone. So similarly for the print preview, if will do check, it will be gone again. But I leave it for the future. I think it's good options to have. But these are not only the limited option we have. So if I click on the more commands, you notice right now I have only these ones, but there are so much options is available to us. For example, the sum command I think is pretty handy to have. So let's add the sum command. So basically it will do the sum based on our time series. And if I want to sort the data in ascending descending, and also let's say the pivot table, right? So pivot table is also very good to have, which we'll see in futures video. So if I click on OK, you'll see Excel added those customize the toolbar, the quick access toolbar. So thank you for listening this video. See you on the next video. Bye.